Hello everyone, so if you want to swap the navigation buttons on your Motorola H50 Pro, so the back button is gonna be on the right. And right now I don't have any buttons. I turned them off because it would be better to do this through the phone settings, this option, but now this option is currently only available via third-party apps. If you're bothered by having two navigation bars displayed, we're gonna have two of them. Try hiding the old one, as I did, so you can do this through your settings. I hit my navigation bar. Now let's open up our Play Store. Let's search and press navigation bar. Here it is. Alright, navigation bar for Android. Press install. Press open. Press agree. Now we are to grant the permission for it to be displayed over our apps. We need it, so press go to settings. Turn it on. Press allow, open display settings, navigation bar, allow display over our other apps, and basically that's it. Now we've got our new display app right here. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.